Hello students, in today's module we'll be looking at transitions to promote effective transition to enable the child to be ready to learn. A transition is about change in culture and status. It can entail leaving something behind that has constructed identity. It can also mean leaving the comfort zone and encountering the unknown. It can be a new culture, place, people, roles, identity, etc. As children enter formal school from an early learning center, it is required to face different cultural model that is different from preschool setting. This might include a change in physical environment, the routine, curriculum, social structure, etc. The preparation and the culture of the setting is central in supporting children in their transitions. In order to cope successfully with the demands of school, children need to acquire certain skills like acquiring the school language and social knowledge that would help them transit from one stage to another. Children sometimes would also need to unlearn certain skills and knowledge to adapt themselves to the requirement of the new settings. Transition involves a combination of different abilities like self-regulation, mindfulness, independence, and social cohesion. A combination of these abilities can bring a positive effect on the transition that children go through. Preschool or child care center is a common experience in young children, but it is not uniform one. The entrance into formal schooling can mark an important change in children, especially the way they participate in families and communities. Gribel and Nizzel 2003 describes the change at three levels. At children enter formal schooling, the individual level, children adopt the identity of a student. Interactive level, new relationships develop and existing relationships change. Contextual level, environments of home and school interconnect. These changes can be stressful and traumatic for children, and they would need help, support, motivation from adults. It is an emotional journey that child faces. Common experiences that a developing child would face during transition are loss of attachment to familiar people, friends, environment, settings, etc. Decreased sense of belonging, a feeling of being devalued, uncertainty about the future, change in role and identity, development changes, etc. During this sensitive period, children's first experience of school and its surroundings paves way for further learning. Transition is a trajectory for children in developing a sense of belongingness, attachment, and provides a sense of value. Kagan and Newman, 1999, suggest that children who have difficulty in transition will also have emotional and health problems. Adults can help children to cope with their feelings by preparing them to transit effectively using certain strategies according to the need of the individual. The learning outcomes. At the end of the module, the reader will be able to understand transition in children, pre-transition experiences, strategies that can be adopted to promote effective transition in children. Transition is a shift or a change or modification children go through. Transitions require children to put forth a great deal of effort physically, mentally, emotionally, and socially in all areas of development. Children require a lot of skills to transit successfully in different aspects of development as well as in preschool setting. children transiting from home to preschool or from preschool to higher grades, the enabling factors that can influence transitions are range of support services for children like parental support, peer group activities, family involvement, partnership between parents and teachers, environment and early learning centers or preschool based care. Apart from these services related influences, socio-economic factors also affect the transition in children. The parents' educational qualification, financial status, home environment, and its quality can be a precursor for smooth transition in children. There is a strong evidence that smooth transition helps children develop positive attitude and feelings towards schooling and would facilitate in the learning process. Smooth transition will help children establish supportive social ties with peers and teachers. Smooth transition will make children feel comfortable, happy in classrooms, rather than being anxious, upset, or lonely. Children will be interested in learning process and will be motivated to take up activities. Absence of smooth transition in children can be a precursor to many adjustment problems like class repetition, poor quality, socio-emotional problems, low grades in higher classes, high dropout rates, etc. Cognitive problems in primary school is a common scenario observed in South Asian and Pacific countries, according to UNESCO 2012. From this session, we understood that transition is an important phase in child's life. Transition is a process of leaving the comfort zone and encountering something new. This involves a combination of different abilities, and a child will learn, master it during the phase of transition.